lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I wanna burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again. And I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness
and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, but that's the deal, my dear. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, but that's the deal, my dear. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, he spill kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with nothing. Lucky I had strong words like my mother, to up a cover when I needed it, and thanks to eyes that for no other. The day we will cry a river, meadow, at your feet. I'm at your feet. Whenever, whenever, we're meant to be together. And that's the day, my dear. You're over, you're under, but that's the day, my dear. Think out loud, say it again. Tell me one more time that you live lost in my eyes. And that's the deal, my dear. You're over, you're under, you got me head over heels. There's nothing left to fear if you really feel the way I feel. Whenever to be together, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, you're under, you got me head over heels. There's nothing left to fear if you feel the way I feel.
stood at the crossroads, unsure which way to go. One road led to safety, the other, an unknown. The winds whispered in my ear, the sun shone on my face, and I knew in my heart it was time to take my place. Safety.